Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Munition squadrons form the essential backbone of military preparedness, making certain that the armed forces have the firepower required to carry out their missions. These dedicated units carefully manage, store, and service an extensive variety of munitions. They act as an indispensable technical backbone for other formations, offering expert advice on the correct handling and upkeep of munitions. Their knowledge also extends to diagnosing and addressing any potential malfunctions, ensuring that military personnel possess the expertise needed to utilize their armaments efficiently. At times, specialists from these squadrons are dispatched to ammunition manufacturing facilities to observe the distinct production processes each munition type requires, including the specialized machinery and skill sets involved. Munitions storage areas, MSAs, are purpose-built facilities crafted to securely store diverse munitions, ranging from explosives and bombs to missiles and other ordnance. Situated at airfields, naval bases, and various military installations worldwide, these facilities are vital to maintaining military readiness. In these storage zones, munition squadrons, such as the 35th Operations Support Squadron or the 379th Expeditionary Maintenance Squadron Munitions Flight, play key roles in monitoring munitions, inventory, and conducting routine maintenance and repairs to ensure continued safety and performance. The movement of munitions involves intricate logistics that necessitate thorough planning, coordination, and unwavering adherence to safety standards. Recognizing the inherently hazardous nature of these items, a detailed risk assessment is undertaken, taking into account munition type, transport distance, mode of travel, and environmental conditions. Packaging is engineered for resilience and safety, tailored to ammunition types. Small caliber rounds are typically housed in corrugated fiberboard boxes, offering cushioning and moisture resistance. Larger ordnance goes into sturdy wooden or plywood crates for enhanced support. Sensitive explosives are often secured within metal containers to shield from impact and electromagnetic disturbances. Accurate documentation accompanies every shipment to track movement and maintain accountability. Munitions are borne in specialized transport vehicles, purpose-built to resist the rigors of transit and avert accidental detonation. Such vehicles may be armored, equipped with fire suppression systems, and feature advanced suspension to diminish vibration. On arrival, heavy or voluminous munitions are safely offloaded using designated mechanical equipment. Each item undergoes inspection upon arrival to verify structural integrity and absence of defects. Documentation is cross-checked to ensure correct delivery and precise record-keeping. In addition to storage and upkeep for emergencies and training, a subterranean cave system was constructed to house all the necessary equipment for operations in a European theater. Construction of these caves began in 1982 amid the height of the Cold War. By 1988, the underground complex was finalized and termed the Marine Corps Pre-Positioning Program Norway. Immediately thereafter, the Marine Corps began transferring equipment, even though the Cold War concluded in 1989, and the facility has remained active ever since. Today, Marine Rotational Force Europe, MRFE, leverages the pre-positioned stocks at Marine Corps Pre-Positioning Program Norway to enable rapid deployment and sustained missions. With a permanent presence in Norway, MRFE secures a strategic foothold in Europe and executes cold weather training. Thanks to this vital resource, the Marine Corps can not only initiate major operations from Norway using established European logistics, but it has also integrated the facility into its cold weather training regimen. Though funding for such resources would be challenging to secure today, Cold War allocations made it possible then. U.S. Marines routinely arrive at Evins Airfield in Norway before proceeding to the Elvegårdsmoen training area for exercise cold response. The Elvegårdsmoen camp, situated near Bardufoss in northern Norway, supports cold response, an essential training event for MRFE, designed to enhance military operations and allied cohesion in Arctic conditions. Marines complete in-processing at Evins Airfield, marking the official start of their cold response training. The MCPP-N cave network enables immediate provisioning for exercises such as trident juncture. When a training cycle approaches, equipment extraction from the caves is methodically scheduled and executed. The workflow begins with identifying the asset's vehicles, weapons, supplies needed to meet exercise goals. Military logistics teams then orchestrate removal from the secure cave complex, strategically placed for swift access and transport. Once extracted, each piece of equipment is examined, serviced, or refurbished to ensure full operational readiness. The gear is then dispatched to training grounds or deployment zones via land convoys and airlift, handled by military transport units. This logistical choreography plays a crucial role in exercises like Trident Juncture, enabling Marines to effectively carry out scenarios in Norway's demanding terrain. Norway also serves as the staging ground for operations like Exercise Stratmobex, a no-notice strategic mobility drill. Exercise Stratmobex tests the U.S. military's capability to redeploy troops and equipment quickly to critical global areas. Initiated without warning, the exercise simulates real-world conditions, compelling forces to maintain constant readiness and robust responsiveness to sudden emergent threats. MCPP-N caves are strategically located near Varnes Air Station, a key logistical hub supporting USMC operations in Norway. The station accelerates the flow of Marines, supplies, and aircraft during rotations and drills. Consequently, Marines frequently collaborate with civilian contractors to transport gear from the caves to Varnes. Located in Stjørdal, Norway, Varnes Air Station lies approximately 877 kilometers from Evins and the nearby MCPP-N sites. The concept of military armories dates back to ancient times when fortified arsenals safeguarded weapons and ammo. Over centuries, these have evolved into advanced facilities featuring maintenance bays, security systems, and climate controls to preserve arms and munitions. Armory specialists, known as armorers, manage weapon accountability, security, and upkeep within these secured settings. Their duties cover inventory tracking, weapon inspection, procedural enforcement, and regulatory adherence. They ensure weapons are mission-ready, while enforcing strict access protocols. Armories securely house firearms, ammunition, and equipment. They uphold accountability, facilitate maintenance, control access, maintain weapon condition, and enable rapid weapon access for training or operations. When weapons are issued, personnel verify their ID and complete documentation, including serial number logging. After exercises, weapons are cleaned, inspected, and formally returned to inventory. Armorers review them, restore operational status, and secure them back in storage. For example, the 341st Security Support Squadron Armory at Malmstrom Air Force Base is the largest continuously operating facility under Global Strike Command, safeguarding the weapons arrayed for nuclear security missions. Armorers in this unit also perform on-site weapon maintenance, identifying gear needing attention through the use of yellow tags, visually flagging firearms that require servicing before reissue. Weapon issuance is tracked by recording serial numbers. If malfunctions arise, the weapon is immediately tagged for evaluation, recorded in maintenance logs, and replaced. Returning weapons undergo thorough inspection, and any defects are repaired or swapped out. Beyond safety, record-keeping constitutes a vital armory function. Personnel employ serialized inventory cards and digital systems to maintain accurate weapon inventories. Each weapon carries a card noting its maintenance, history, inspections, and assignments. Regular audits are conducted, with all transactions logged to guarantee accountability for every serialized asset. Whether stored in fortified underground bunkers, situated amidst the frozen Norwegian landscape, or housed in a 24-hour operational armory. These dedicated teams ensure that the United States military remains ready at a moment's notice. Their unwavering efforts uphold preparedness, facilitate global deployment capabilities, and bolster allied partnerships through seamless logistics and steadfast commitment. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.